Hello, ladies and gents, welcome. Today I'm going to turn a massive lidded box with the design I'm going to try and have a natural edge on the top, which I think this piece of alder could hold. The bark is fairly solid bark. Those who have turned alder before, they know it's a tough bark. But if I feel like it's becoming loose, I will use a CA glue. But yeah, I've just flattened this part with the chisel and then drilled 4 holes, mounted it on the faceplate, and it's actually on a good side. We've got a nice shape here to curve down, so yeah, and I got it fairly balanced. I think it's a little bit spalted as well. This effect I really like. So we'll see how it goes. It's not spalted. It's kind of like a fungus or something. I'm not sure. I've got to research about this color difference. If you guys know, let me know in the comments below. I'd appreciate it. I've never turned a lidded box out of alder before, and certainly not a natural edge one. This lathe could easily do this sort of thing, whereas before I wouldn't be able to handle this much. So let's get started. Okay guys, I've finished finished the outside, sanded it to 400, used Yorkshire grit and then microcrystalline on top of that. So I've decided I think I'm not going to do a lidded box because it's so massive. It's best to just go with a just a pot without a lid. I don't think there is a need for that. I'm gonna hollow down to here. I think down to there. Maybe leave some of the edge. Yeah. But we'll see how that goes. I just got this tailstock here for just a support until I get down to get these edges done, and then I will hollow it. So there we have it, guys, all done. I just finished buffing it up. Such a lovely wood this is. Again, if you guys know what caused the wood to develop this fungus, let me know. It's definitely a fungus to do this effect. I doubt it's the tree itself. It's a fungus, but I don't know what type and why. So if you know, do let me know. It's English alder. So yeah, and you can see as well inside. I think it's the first deep hollow that I've done. This deep is at least I'd say 5 to 6 inches deep. Nice bird mouth. You can see, yeah. And the bark on the edges are solid, and I haven't used any CA to keep them. They're really solid. Alder is known for the tough bark. So, and you might ask, what would you use this for, since it has natural bark on the edge? Well, you could have dry nuts in there, fill it with candies, and have it in the center of the table. Yeah, you don't have to I mean, it's a decorative piece as well, but you could use it that way. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed turning this. I love the way this lathe handled it. No problem at all. Oh, and another thing, I received Ham's wood turning sticker. Thank you, mate, for sending. I've looked so much on the internet to find if you have a wood turning channel or a Facebook channel, and I couldn't find at all. So if you do watch Ham wood turning, if you do watch, please do leave a link in the comments below, and I will pin it to the top of the comments, and I'll put it on the description below as well. Thank you for sending me. I appreciate it. I'll stick it to my wood turning rack. I showed you the tool rack behind me. Yeah. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're almost reaching the 2,000 subscribers, and I will do a giveaway. I will turn something special, and I will do a random draw from the comments on that video, and I will send it anywhere in the world, so you guys all can participate. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.